Nah, bro, Evan trying to chase that.
Swoop over my head.
Nah, bro, trying to chase out a fucking bird. Oh shit. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. He doesn't want to be a free bird. He wants to be a cage bird. Where the fuck did they go?
The fucking broom. Get the red broom.
Okay, pal. Leave me alone. Get the fuck out of my house.
Get the broom.
Where the fuck is it? Okay. Get the fuck out the house, damn it. Did you hit the fucking bird? No. Go find it. This nigga hit the fucking bird.
Take your flashlight.
You fucking evil being.
Motherfucker wouldn't get out. Sure he's okay.
Where? Oh God, I think you killed it.
No, he's alive.
You can see him breathing?
Yeah.
Pick it up.
What?
Your hands.
Why?
Get it out, dude.
How?
You fucking killed it. No, you didn't kill it, obviously, but.
Got a napkin or something?
Oh, damn it. Did you knock it the fuck out?
I think so. It's still breathing.
You can see it?
Yep.
Christ almighty, this nigga fucking knocked out a fucking bird.
Jesus.
Nigga knocked out OJ.
I'm so
Evan?
sorry, buddy.
Evan, pick him up with your hands and place him outside. You put him in the fucking dustbin. And pick up Orenthal James. Okay, place him outside.
Breathing.
Put him outside before he gets up.
Yeah,
Hey, Evan, slowly.
Put him here. Flashlight.
Or you just gonna place him outside?
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully the fucking cat doesn't get to it. Evan, your bare ass is showing, nigga.
Thank you.
I got your bare ass on video.
Cut that part.
Alright, well, that's the end of Evan.
Me hitting the bird?